Welcome to Tech World Vlogs on Tesla. Here's another accessory that I absolutely love that I want to share with you guys. I bought this on Amazon. Really inexpensive accessory, but very practical if you own a Tesla. So the accessory that I'm bringing to you here is, it looks like this here. And if you own a Tesla, you know exactly where this goes. This is basically a piece of like Velcro or protective layer that's easy to clean. It goes into the driver and each one of the car doors, that inner compartment where you can put your keys, bottled water, wherever you want to put inside. Mine gets dirty a lot because I put a lot of junk inside, but that means it's really more difficult to clean. So I decided to buy these on Amazon, and you just basically slide right in, and it's soft material, has the vegan leather to it, and it allows you just to clean it and take it out completely and just wipe and clean. It keeps that Tesla material intact, the original factory material. So let's go ahead and install this. So I went ahead and I removed the basic piece that comes inside the car. This is basically just a mat, a rubber mat that sits in the base of that door. Once that's removed, I clean it. I'm gonna put that back inside, but then also gonna put the piece that I bought on Amazon, the door pockets, I think that's what it's called. I'll have a link in the description where to buy it. So let's go ahead and install this. All right, so I have all 4 pieces installed, and it's a nice snug fit. As you can see, it's really cut to fit each one of the door panel. So that's really cool. Don't underestimate how useful this is. It removes a lot of pain points of cleaning those doors. They get really dirty over time. So this is the back driver's seat, and this is the actual front driver's seat. You can barely tell it's there. Has a nice contour, really beautiful stitching, and just a nice flush fit for that door panel. And it's, like I said, the benefit of this here is just easy to clean, and it has that Tesla feel to it, the Tesla logo to it, and you can put all the other stuff that you have inside. Keeps it nice and organized. But also the biggest benefit here is how easy it is to clean. So that's it for the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video, and if you're interested in buying this here, I'll have a link to the description below where to buy it from Amazon. But just a beautiful accessory that will just help you with cleaning your Tesla car. We'll see you on the next video.